Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon. We are here. We're here. We here. I don't know why I'm talking like that. I don't know why. Do you know why? Because I don't know why. Um, I think we may have had. Did we? Wait a second. I thought I had a My Funded Futures eval. No, I guess I did. Did I only buy one yesterday and I passed it? Oh, I guess must have. I don't know. I thought I had one to trade that maybe I hit the daily loss limit on, but I guess maybe I didn't. I don't know. Do we want to do that? Do we want to do a My Funded Futures or a Take Profit Trader? I guess we'll do a My Funded Futures. I guess we'll do a My Funded Futures here in the last hour and a half of the day. Do I want to? Nah, I don't know. Yeah, we'll just stick with the Quan Tower. I just realized you could trade the My Funded Futures on Trade-Evate. Actually, you know what? I wouldn't mind having it on Trade-Evate so I can link it to the Ninja. That would be nice. What up, Outer? Just for verification purposes, I'm going to show you. I'm using code PINE, and it gave me no % off, but I'm still going to use it anyway. If Pine Tree's watching. If Pine Tree's watching there. Now, you guys don't use code PINE. Use code MM. It's way better than that code PINE. I know from personal experience. Personal experience. 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 Push up into that 58 area, probably on tap here. I'm going to disconnect My Funded Futures, reconnect. And we'll be looking for a spot here. 558. Is it 558? Yeah, 558. All right, let's see if we got the eval. Indeed. So now, let's go over here. I don't know whether I should trade. Let's be reasonable. Let's go with micros. Let's go with micros. All right. Your bias is bearish still. We're making it above initial balance here. I don't know. My bias is bullish, but I'm an idiot, so. I mean, we could turn bearish, in my opinion. We could. Show you what we done today. We did take a couple more trades on that account that we were up 200, down 400, and then back up 200, and now up 780. Got that Take Profit Pro up to $1,340 total. Got midway point on another Take Profit Trader account, and did they take out? They did not remove the funds from the other account yet that I requested the daily payout on. Let me just disconnect and reconnect, just make sure. If it breaks the 8 a.m. high, where's that at? Let me see. That wick up there? Yeah, that I kind of wanted to treat that wick kind of like a news wick. Yeah, they still did not take the money out of there yet, so we won't touch that account until they do. Kind of getting a decent pullback here. Yes, above the 40 or the 53.50 there. How's your day looking today, Outer? Might stab short here. I don't know. I feel like I might have missed the entry. Pull back into that 55. Yeah, I feel like I missed it already. Just thinking maybe a pullback into that 55 area makes sense. But we'll try it. 1 micro. Let's see. We get below 80, I might add into this. Pine Tree, what up? Hey, Pine Tree, I just used your code, verified on stream. You can rewind it. It did not even give me a discount, and I still used your code. Man, that's loyalty right there. That's loyalty. Didn't even give me a discount, and I still used it. Reduce the stop here a little bit. Holding up that 50 level in the ES here, expecting maybe we bounce. We'll see. Maybe not, though. You don't know what's up? That's all right. Yeah, I have no idea, Outer. I'm looking at the 5-minute here, and we're watching it. I want to see if it can break. It's kind of like, it's not really structure here, but this little short-term trend here. Really already kind of broke. Gets back above 510 there, then I think we might go. Get back above 510, I may flip long. That's what I'm thinking. Just in a single micro here, ES holding that 53.50 level pretty strong. What up, Amelia? How's it going? Yeah, it looks like it wants to continue up. But we'll see. They could take it back down. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and kill it there. Kind of holding this level here. Let me see. I was expecting more of a pullback. I really did not get it. Something like that. Blue 2 PAs, but got a $900 daily payout. Let's go. All right, Invest. Nice job. I appreciate you. Great job. Might pull back here. I don't know. I was looking at that pullback into the 60s, and then it just didn't want to do it a minute ago. Yes, kind of holding that 50 level strong there. I don't know. We'll see. I guess I might have stopped myself out at the top and then back below my short entry now. That sucks. Kind of little whipsaw-y actions. Kind of what it's been doing, huh? Now that I'm seeing that. Still think we go higher. I'm going to add into this. I'm going to move the stop down a little bit. I want it to be below that wick. And we'll see what happens. Kind of holding that 9 the whole way up. If we lose it, I might just get out. Let's see if we want to run it back to the top of the range. I think so too, Room, but we'll see. What up, Keegan? The Power Hour. It is OPEX. It is like a Thursday, but technically like a Friday, right? So, who knows? If it takes me out, it takes me out. I don't know what to tell you. We lose the 9, we'll be out. I don't like how it looks, though. I kind of want to... All right. Yes, holding that 50 strong so far. $244 here. Got about 15 minutes till top of the hour. New candle on the 5 minute and 50 seconds. $50 seconds. Needs to be bullish engulfing. Looking kind of weak right now. We need the bullish engulfing. Where you at? Where you at? Let's see if this new candle can bring it to us. Watching it, Tech T. Appreciate you. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze. I called for it, but didn't listen. I called for it, but didn't necessarily want to listen to me. I kind of want to add into this, but at the same time, I don't want to be too aggressive. Maybe we'll get a little information here in the next 4 minutes here. If we break the 20 EMA there, then like I said, I might get out. That would be the ES probably popping below the 50 as well. So still waiting for that squeeze. Might get it here. We pop the 10s. I think we get a quick run up there back to the high, back to that swing high. Just got to pop that 10 level there. We can go. Give me a quick squeeze through there. I'm going to take one off at the 13. What are we in? 5? All right. What the hell was that? Somebody tell me what that was. What was that? I don't know what that was. A little liquidity grab there. Stop run. Grab my stop. I don't know. Yeah, it must be outer. Watching my live stream. It could just go lower here, but rerun that wick again. Down a quick 550 there. Tomorrow's Good Friday. Today shall be known as Rude Thursday. Yeah, Tech T, that was rude. All right, let's get in some here. Wow. I am just getting ripped in both directions here. We're basically in like a mini here. Well, a little more than a mini, 12. I'm gonna move some of these up. Should run through here. We get through this VWAP this time. ES still has a little ways to go to get through the VWAP there, so I think we can push through on the NAS. Can we trade TPT tomorrow? No, it's closed tomorrow. The schizophrenic Trump market, maybe. All right, let's see. All right, gonna get out on those two, and I'm gonna move this back up to kind of see if it can. Might push back up here and then get that next push down lower. Let's see. The VWAP. You can trade on Monday. I want us to push through the VWAP. The VWAP. The VWAP. The VWAP. Give me the VWAP. Push through. Nah, it didn't do it. Excuse me. Oh. Nah. Yeah, Mad Moxie, it's kind of frustrating. All right, we're down $200. Much more reasonable, though. Let me go to like a 60 tick take profit here. Go to like a 60 tick. All right, ES reclaimed that 41 there and is kind of squeezing. I'm a little skeptical here, so I'm going to wait. The drop may have been in regards to something said. Yeah, it could be. No, don't load it back up, Room. No point in doing all that. Sit it out, man. It's fine. I'm just degenning over here. I am just over here full degenning. Is Pine Tree live? Maxie, that was me. Man, do I try this with a micro? Quite a wide stop, 50 points. I don't know. We'll see. Is there reason for this to continue higher? Maybe. You blew your first TPTPA? Oh, me too, Room. I blew like the first 10 with no payout. I blew like the first 10. Man, now this candle looks weak. I don't know if I like it. 341. Okay. Yeah, I like this. I'm looking at this. Hold on one second. See how this candle closes first. If they can turn this green or we get a bounce off that pivot there, I might jump in long. ES back to that 341. Maybe I should have stayed in the short. I'm thinking we hold the VWAP here. That's what I'm thinking. Hold the VWAP. Maybe try to get a little runner going if we can. Come on. Trying to give this a moment to work its way out, but I don't like the way it looks on the ES here. I might give it to that wick. Might give it to the bottom of that wick. Give a sweep of this wick, but like that. I want to see a big move out of there. Just get me back to my entry. I might just kill it. Just gonna kill it there, down 20 bucks on that trade. Why not? Once it gives you a chance to get out, you get it out. It could be market maker. Big old bear flag. Yeah, you zoom out. I mean, not the best looking one to be honest, but we are in a definitely in a channel here. It still looks like, I don't know, it still looks like a buy area to me, but just not patient enough for it to I guess give me what I need there. Let's kind of mark out these zones here. Top of the hour in 2 minutes, so I'm going to be careful here. I'm just going to wait. Top of the hour, a lot of times we could just rip in one direction or the other, so I'm going to be careful there. Let's be careful. Let's play it carefully. Would normally try to short this maybe. I want to close below there. Let me check the other chart. I do kind of like the short here, to be honest. All right, you know what? I'm going to risk it. We're going to risk it. Risk it for the biscuit. I'm going to risk it for the biscuit. I knew that if it was going to bounce there, I didn't want to just be in it. Yeah. Cancel. Long. Cancel. If it holds below 450, then I think it's okay. We'll average into it here. We'll really need to move the stops above 450, but we'll leave them there for now. He hit the first target. Now, Alcife said Max said cancel. He may have. He is definitely a smarter trader than me. I'm going to move this one down too. Could bounce here, but give it a chance to go. I'll let it stop me out on 1 and I'll re-add if it bounces here. If it gets through 10, I think we get a little elevator into the low 90s. If it can close below 10 and get through there strong. I don't really see a reason for it to push back up. I'm going to move this back. I feel like it's going to go. I think it's going to go. We'll see here. Surely they can't just print red candles. They can. Red, 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 red. Red Rover, ES is at the VWAP. Come over. Oh. Should I add back into this 378 equal lows? Is it? I should have added into it there and didn't get it in time. Room says take it off. You think, Room? I don't know. Maybe. Could be right. You could be right. We'll see how the 5-minute candle closes. I'm going to add back in here. Finding support here, but I think it's just because the ES is at the VWAP. If the ES gets through the VWAP there, we're going to have a little elevator. Although this might be... This is a Harami. I'm going to take this off. Just, oof. It's so funny. On one chart, it closed as a Harami. On the other chart, it did not. This candle closed green for anybody else. On my other 5-minute chart, it closed green. How'd it close on this one? Yeah, it closed green on that one too. Equal lows at 405 now. Red for you guys? All right. Oh, yeah, that's true. That's true. MNQ versus NQ. You're right. It's green on NQ. MNQ, it's red. It did leave equal lows here, though. So. Should I go ahead and take these down to the next level? Kind of. I'm going to do that. Yeah, I didn't even think about that, Yoji. 117 target. That's quite a ways down there. I am going to add into this because we left equal lows on the 5-minute. Kind of expect us to, I mean, I better make sure those are equal first, huh? The eyeball says they're equal. We are now into this for 5 micros. With 3 of them coming off of the equal lows. Activating those pro accounts for the future, need to be more cautious about the small print. Yeah. What are the risks providing people with affiliate codes? Nothing to me. Now, I probably will go break even once we sweep this low again, because to me that's going to be a liquidity grab and it could rip back higher, even though it looks pretty bearish. Actually, I don't know if I'll go break even or not. We'll see. I'll make a decision. Oh my God, guys. I just realized what you guys were saying. This is, I'm tracking on the M and Q, not the freaking NQ. So these equal lows don't even matter. Ah, oh, darn it. I'm still going to hold it. All right, I'm getting out of it. Forgot all about that. Feel like this is the cleanest 5-minute rising channel I've seen in a long time, and yet I'm still red on the day. This is a 50K. Gosh, I can't even believe that I forgot about that. And then let me even see if this even broke structure, really. Really didn't. Kind of looks like it wants to go back up here. Yeah, lure me back in with the 1 micro here. At least get something out of it if we can. Really, can I stop like 440? Yeah, that's about right. Yes, at the VWAP there, that's still the problem, just holding so strong. Let's push it down. That's what I'm saying. Let's do it. All right, now I like it more. Yes, working its way below the VWAP here. Unless it's just a peekaboo. A little peekaboo below. Excuse me. Oh, goodness, guys. Sorry to cough in your ear like that. There we go. Now she's a breaker. Breaking. Yes, moving lower there. 322s. Back to that 317 almost. I'm going to give this a little more room because I believe this hits that next target. I do believe it hits this target down here at 370. And I may even add into this if we break the 90 for that run through there. Aim at New York low. This is the overnight low here. 345 ish. I don't remember room. It may have been 50, may have been 40. I can't remember what it was in February. We added one more into that. There it is. There we go. A little breakdown. ES hit the 17 on the dot right there. February was 40. Oh, okay. So ES to the 17 magnet there. Could bounce here, but that's okay. See if we pop that 17 or not. It's been kind of that magnet in the ES all day long. We can work this back to break even on this account. If we hit our target, I think we'll be close to break even. All right, ES back to the 17 there. I might consider, yeah, I'm going to lock some in here because we could bounce off that 17. We'll lock in 10 or 12 points there. If this candle turns back green, I guess, well, something like that. Give it a little room without giving it a lot of room. Really, there's no trailing here, so we could just stay break even. Are we going to get one more run at that 17 level again? Looks like we are. Maybe this next push gives it to us. Yeah, I'm not going to add because I feel like I've done added, you know. I don't want to be too degen, you know what I mean? Not too degen here. All right, ES is peekabooing below the 17 here. If you can get through the 17, you got the 05s down there. A couple of wicks down there at the 10s. But we will take our target and not be greedy. Bouncing the 17 one more time. Maxie's barking. Gotta break that 17 to hit my target. It really does. Maxie, come on, bro. Yeah, it is an eval. New York low. You think we're going to hit the New York low? Really? I mean, I could target down here, but we got a lot of consolidation in here. But you are right. That is low resistance liquidity. Problem is, I don't know that I don't get stopped before it goes there. If I'm going to target down here, like, I probably need to put my stop back up here. I mean, I guess we could. All right, we'll do it. I'll tell you what, I'm not going to target the low, but I'll target 290. You talk me into it, we'll target 290. But if we get stopped out for a loss, then it's on you. It's on you fellas. Yeah, I know it is. Do we have equal highs up at the 28s? Is that where you're talking about? Right where my stop is? $408. Yeah, I really want to see it stay below 410. Kind of turn this area right here into some resistance. We might add back into it there. We'll see. We'll see. Right now we're bouncing off 17, which is the area of support there on the ES. The magnet all day long. 17, 17, 17. So I mean, if we recover 28, we're going to squeeze into the end of the day. Guaranteed. We recover 28, we squeeze. Got your Bulenox to 54107. Let's go, Tech T. Put my stop behind the current wick. Which wick? This is about to be a bullish harami here. Guys, I'm going to kill this short, I think. ES bouncing off a key support level. We're going to have a bullish harami. I don't know, man. I think I'm going to kill this trade. Yeah, I'm getting out, guys. I don't even like the look of this. Might be wrong. What up, Trev? I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I don't know. We're down $85. That Harami scared me. That bullish Harami. ES might put in a higher low here. All right, it didn't. All right, I guess that Harami shouldn't have scared me, but it did. I might full port. I'm gonna add on any pops. I'm gonna add on any pops. Really build a nice short position. Looking to cover it before 3:30 though. You trade breakouts? Nice. Yeah, I know, market maker. I know. Exit the short, enter 20 points lower. I get it. I get it. Any pops back in here, I'm gonna add back into it though. Any pops. Oh, watch it go up and stop him down. Yeah, it might. That's always the scary part, right? Wow, ES reclaimed that 17 strong there. I don't like, man, I hate that. All right, back up towards my original position. Well, actually, my original entry was what? 405 maybe? Or 385, I don't remember. Oh my goodness. If ES gets back above 28, I'm going to get out. Because I think we squeeze above 28. Got to hold below 28. ICT Unicorn? I don't know what that is. Hold on, let me open the door. Alright, we're back. What are we in here? 4? Gonna add in one more here. One more add in here. See if we can't get the dumpage. Come on. Oh, come on. Don't do me dirty there. Targets equal highs. Yeah, I see them, but right back to my average entry and then just bounced. Out of 1 down to 3, or actually I got out of 2 there. Target, get out 50% of the wick. All right, let's see here. Oh. It's giving me a second chance to get out. Yeah, but it's fine. 3:32 coming up in 3 minutes. All right, we hold this whole number. Gonna add back there. Might be a bad ad, but because if we squeeze here above the VWAP over there on ES 28, then I'm gonna get out. Hold below it so far. Right there testing the 28 level directly now. Second run into it. Oh, lightsaber to my stop. I mean, it might be at 330. Or my take profit. Who knows which. Bouncing from support, but could be forming a bear flag. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It really could go either way here. I mean, ES is right there at 28. I mean, if it gets through that level, then we squeeze. It's going to be a failed breakdown of that level, and we'll squeeze. But as long as it holds below it, I think we got a good shot at going back down. So we'll find out. 330 will probably tell us a lot. Maybe it tells us what we don't want to hear. Could be. Yeah, exactly, Tech. I would love this thing to get back below 90 here. All right, push it lower now. Lose that 90 level. I think we get a little bit of elevator down here. Can we lose the 90? We can. I mean, it comes down, tags me out of the 2 that I add, and then bounces every time. It's crazy. It is crazy. 38 seconds for the 330 candle. I'm just going to hold it. I'm just going to hold it. Tom Saber. Yeah, you're in the West Coast. I figured. There we go. Come on. You can do it. All right, I'm going to give myself a little protection here. Oh, really? Really? How's it come that close? How's it come that close to my stop or to my take profit and not take it? That's crazy. can't even move these. Get out of here. Look at that. Look at that shite. All right, moving it back up. God darn it. I'll tell you for it, man. I tell you for it. Yeah, for sure, fish lips. It did give me a third chance. It did. All right, I'm out. Now I'm long. If ES rejects here again, then I'll just get burnt both ways. We'll accept it. Can she go? Flags? You know, flags. You know, you wave them. You wave the flags. Rat Lord Trades in the house. Where you been, Rat Lord? What up? You been at that boxing match? That's where you been. I can't remember what the... Oh, look at this thing. Reject the 28. You dirty SOB. Those redneck fights. The redneck boxing fight. Boo, 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 boo. Oh, it just did me dirty there, guys. It completely rejected that level. Well, not completely, but being a little annoying. Been hiding in the sewers. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. All right, now we're going long. Full port. Close your eyes. Turn your heads. Full port. I mean, it's not really full port, but it's a mini. Basically a mini. Actually, let's go 2 more. Turn your heads. Close your eyes. Equal high should have been swept. Patience. We'll see. What up, call me the crazy one? Are we gambling? Are we gambling? Are we gambling? I don't know. Is it a gamble if you know it's going to work? Wait a second. We don't know it's going to work. We have no clue. In all likelihood, it doesn't work. But that's okay, too. And do I add more? I'm kind of thinking about adding more. Do I add more? Nah. Gotta hold the 90. Equal highs? Oh yeah, we do. I forgot about those equal highs. Now we're in 14. We're just giving ourselves extra commissions. Giving them extra commission. Might as well make it a nice round number, 15. Liquidation kick coming. You did the full pull with a girl one time and it did not end very well. Uh-oh. Hey, let's go. We got a subscriber. Mike Hunt in the house. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Here we go, guys. Here we go, guys. Port report. Port report. Port report. Really? Come on, man. I'm giving you the port report here, and you just can't fulfill it? You can't fulfill it? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Husko's over at his, he's at his mom's. Where else are you going to see this kind of degen action? Full port Thursday on micros. I mean, I want to see it just blast right up through there and just take me out. ES is holding up at the VWAP there, so that's the problem. Come on, I want to hear the. There's one. I can't even drag it down. I can't even see where it is to drag one down. You hit the 410s. Oh, I said earlier I wanted the 410s to turn into resistance. They sure did. Yeah, it is Friday. Is it a drug alley? Maybe. Yeah, I'm trying to degen. I'm trying to out degen him there. I'm trying to out degen Jay. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let me start pulling some. Well, nah. I was going to pull some up, but. Why pull them up? May as well just hold it. Keeps rejecting the VWAP, though. No! Maxie's barking. Maybe that's all it had for us. Is that all it had, guys? When contracts get flipped, add more. All right, let's do it. Use your code. All right, perfect. I did already. What do you want from me, Pine Tree? I did already. This is such a bad idea, but I'm going to add more. Rip it! Back to the original size here. I'm not going to be unreasonable. I'm going to leave some runners on, but I'm going to pull some of these down. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This looks like Stock Tiger's chart. Kyle or Alan? No, Kyle for sure. Kyle is way more degen. Way more. Oh, no account liquidation. Who said liquidation? John Carter is more degen. Yeah, if John Carter gets in here, then you're in trouble. What was the outcome? We are now up $92. We got out just in time. Look at that. We got out just in time. Where do you guys see equal highs at? I don't see equal highs. Oh, yeah, 10 minutes from the macro. They pay the guy $2.6 million? Yeah, well, you know. He blows his accounts and laughs his ass off. Who's that, Tech T? Oh, Kyle? Yeah. Yeah, Kyle is... Yeah. Man, I should have held that short. That long was sketch. That long was very sketch. Maybe we should clean the chart up here. Let's clean the chart up. I mean, this is just, with all these micros, it's just lit up like crazy, like a Christmas tree. You don't short and long at the same moment. Just wait. I do it all the time. Entertainment at its best. What's one more try? Might short up there at the 50, actually. Well, yeah, actually don't mind it. Right where my take profit is, take a short. Nah, better not. I'm not going to be a you know what right there. I'm trying to decide here. I wish I had an account. You know what we were talking about last night, Pine Tree. I wish I had an account to trade. I don't have one. Take Profit Trader has not removed the money from that account yet, so I don't want to take that one. I do have this account. What do you think, Pine Tree? Should we trade this account here? I have this account that's up 780, up 1,340. Take Profit Trader Pro. Should we trade that one on that, what we were talking about last night? Should we trade that one? Risk the profits from the day? I don't know. Hit the equal high. I don't even see where the equal highs were. I mean, there's equal highs here on this chart, but this is micros. And it didn't even hit it. Are the equal highs on, isn't it? Is it over here on this chart too? I thought they were off by a tick. Yeah, they're off by a tick. 2 ticks. Unless they're equal highs on the 1 minute. They could be though. Let me see. Are they on the 1 minute? Oh, I think they are. Yeah, it didn't even take them. That's equal highs on the 1 minute. Oh no, they're off by a tick. They're off by a tick. From what I can see. I am kind of blind. You see me having to like look over there like, What up, Celebrity Watch? Not financial advice. You said, what'd you say, Pine Tree? Pillow talk, yeah. Market's closed tomorrow, Jake. Yes. Yeah, I'm looking at the 350 macro. I'm considering a certain trade, but Kind of want to do it with a funded account, but I don't really have one. Don't really have an account to use it on. Unless I use that account that I was just talking about. Let me see. No, that's wrong. I'm doing this wrong. I'm going to check it and see if it lets me do this. It won't. Yeah, murder bot. Huh. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. Hey, Rat Lord, I wanted to talk to you about something. I'll probably DM you later. I don't know if you're still in here or not. Let's go, DBT. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I don't know why it won't let me do what I want it to do. I don't know why it's like that. So let me try it this way. Why does it not let you do that? What do you got to do to link orders together on CoinTower? It used to let you link orders together, but it's not letting you do that anymore. Anybody know why? Order entry. So how come you can't bracket above and below and OCO them together? You can only do it without a take profit. I mean, for some reason, you used to be able to do it. I don't know why it's not letting me do it anymore. Is it that why? It won't let you do it. I don't know why. I have no idea. When you place it and put your stop loss and TP there should be an OCO. There is an OCO, but it's not working. So, for example, if you put one here and you put one here, there's an OCO, but they won't link. It won't do it. No matter what you do, it won't do it. I don't know why. I don't know why it's doing that. I have no idea. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, 30, the murder bot here in about 40 seconds. $40 seconds. $20 seconds. $5 seconds. All right, well, that was interesting. Rip lower there. What are these trading times? Joaquin, they're all over the place, man. Doing good. That rip lower there. ES below the 17. Should we go ahead and target the lower? Let's just try it. We'll see if we can re-sweep the low by the end of the day. Stop up there. Might add one more into this. Yeah, let's quickly do that. Take it down there. Well, micros here, so not a huge amount of risk. Uneventful. What happened? Target new low. You hope you're wrong. I don't want you to be wrong now. ES is at the next level of support there, the 05s. I'm going to, if it doesn't get this order, man, it's a thing. Like, I don't like, all right, I'll leave it up there. I don't know. I wanted it to take it before the ES hit the 05, but it didn't quite get there. We got 3 minutes until the 55 algo. 55 algo, 3 minutes. By the way, Pine Tree, that worked perfectly today, just so you know. That worked perfectly. It banged out 25 points, but only took, I think I took 6. So banged out 25 points. 355 coming up here in 3 minutes. I mean, a lot of times they kind of inverse each other. I don't know. ES is, did ES sweep the, okay, still got the overnight low down there on the ES, or the morning low. All the way down there at the 285s, 20 points lower. But ES bouncing off that 305 pretty hefty here for now. That 317 has been the magnet all day, so it might do that. Oh, let's go, Fish Slips. Nice job. I kind of want to add into this, but we're at the overnight lows here. I did short right into those. Add one more. Take it down to that level. Hey, Pine Tree became a member. Welcome to the Methodical membership. You the man. I mean, I've only been a member of your channel for like 17 months in a row. Before you even had memberships, I was a member. I was a member. Oh, come on. Teetering. Hit the first price level. Yeah, just not doing it. Gold member, so tiny but distinguished. That's right. Tiny but distinguished. Oh, look how dirty that was. Come so close to my take profit and just push back up. So, well, we'll see about that, Saba Flav. I hope you're right. If ES gets above 17, though, all bets are off. All bets are off. Here we go, 30 seconds. Kind of hold below 92 here. Guys, I think I am about to get my face ripped off here. I think I am. I mean, it's closing full on the 5 minute. It's not a good look. See? Technically, that's a Harami candle too. Harami. You might see some full port action here. Here we go. Yeah, I think so too, Saba. I think it's still bearish for sure. That's why we added. Jay's over there screaming. He's over there screaming at the screen. Get the fuck down there! Classic. Classic Jay. There we go. Get the fuck down there! Oh. I'm going to take this one at the overnight low. And then we'll hold the other ones. Can we trade Netflix earnings? Yes, Papa. Try a rectangle box on the gap of the 310 and extend it to the right. 310 here. 310. What gap are you talking about? This one? Or this one? I don't know. See you next week, fish lips, you the man. Down to the basement, yeah. What's the 310 say? But I don't see it. We're just messing around on hell. 310 to the downside. 310 here? Oh, here. Okay, I got you. We have held it. Are we going to push back down? It is a SIBI. Yeah, I get it. I think I'm going to add back in here. I'm in 3, but yeah. What do you say, Max? Add back in? I don't know if Max wants me to add back in or not. That final minute can get a little wacky. I guess I'll do it. You guys talked me into it. Y'all talked me into it. So if it doesn't work, I blame you guys. Let's just be clear. I blame you guys. I took a poll. You said short, add into it. That's what you said. I'm only appeasing you. Only appeasing you. That's all I'm doing. Netflix earnings, yeah. I don't know when. I hope Tom does not enter 1 micro long. He might have. Yeah, I don't know what time Netflix is. It should be like 410, 420 sometimes. I have no idea. Look at this first minute. Come on. Final minute's just ripping her higher. Let's see who's winning in the final 20 seconds. If the Bears are winning in the final 20 seconds, we're probably okay. But we'll see. All right, Tech T, appreciate you. Dun, 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 dun. He blamed me for last night's degen trading. He was degenning gold, and I was like, dude, what are you doing? I was like, he's over there quiet, and I was like, I know you're trading. He's like, yeah, I'm in gold. I was like, okay. I did tell him gold was like, it dropped like 30 points. So. All right, final minute here. Let's see if it can push lower now. Let the air out of the bag. Push lower. Close. Market's closed here. But let's see if we can let the air out of the bag and push lower or not. That is not the direction of the air out of the bag, sir. It's not the right way. Pine Tree can't blame me. It's all Pine Tree. All right, it should push down now. Get back at least below our entry. I'm not saying it's going to hit our targets, but should get down to our entry here at least. I would think. I'm watching the ES here. As long as it holds below 17, then I'm okay with it. When's the earnings? Jay's saying they're at 401. I don't know. If they are, it just might blow through this eval here. If they pump us. Yeah. $445. Okay. No, it's not open tomorrow. On hill. Outer, very hard take reading after 4. Yeah, it is. I may just kill it here. We'll see. I don't like that the ES is above 317, so. All right, I'm going to take it off right there. Did hit the 50 EMA there to directly. Directly hit the 50 EMA. What time is it? 4 o'clock. All right. And of course, I was trying my best not to let it shake me out. And you see what it did. Trying my best not to. All right, full port. Just for you guys. For the stream. For the final minute. For the stream. For the stream. Oh, did it take my take profits off too? I didn't mean to do that. I'll start taking them off just manually once we get above the entry here. All right. Can that micro take us to the promised land? I don't know. We gave a lot of fees today. We paid a lot of fees. A lot of fees. That's what happens, I guess, when you're degenning micros. ES back to that 28 level. All right, stopped out. All right, I think I'm going to call it there, guys. Let me show you this results of that degeneration. $250 after all that degeneration back and forth. So green on the degeneration. On the other MyFunded Futures account, we hit the payout today on that one. $135. We'll take a $1,200 payout today on that. And we didn't trade anything else on MyFunded Futures. Oh, we blew a Bulenox eval this morning, and we blew a Take Profit Trader 150K earlier. We did get up halfway on another, and then we're up 216 on the 5 Apex 50Ks. Balance is sitting at $600. Then we're up 780 on a Take Profit Trader Pro account, as you can see right there. Balance sitting at 1340. That's going to do it for me today. I'll be back tomorrow, 11 a.m. You guys be here tomorrow, 11 a.m. We're going to stream the poker tournament with Cove Trader. If you guys are not a member of Cove's Discord, jump over there and join the Discord. That's where all the information will be. And you can play with me and Pine Tree, a little bit of poker live. I think Husk will be there too, maybe Tom Sabo, and maybe Zero Day J and Cove Trader for sure. So, but join us tomorrow, 11 a.m. for that. And we will see you guys then. Appreciate you guys watching. If you want to support the channel, use the codes. Use all the discount codes down in the description. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you next time.